Hello everyone, Agronov here. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can quickly take a Google image of a lovable character and turn it into a lovable keychain. I'll be using Fusion 360 for this design, and what I really like about Fusion is how easily it took me to learn all the basic tools and design a product or an item from start to finish. For this design, I'll be using transparent PVB bright green from Prusament. I actually been working on some original designs and I'll be releasing them in later videos, so be sure to subscribe.
I'm going to quickly run you through it as it is an easy design and a quick print. We will need an image from Google. Try and find something symmetric, that way you'll only need to sketch half and mirror the other side. Type down something like this. Let's go to images, and right away I see something very nice right here, and we'll take that image and insert it into Fusion 360 as canvas. That way we can pretty much sketch directly on it. We're in Fusion 360. Now I've already done everything, so I'm sort of going to back engineer the whole process for you. The first thing you want to do is take that file you saved and insert it as a canvas from right here. I've already done that and you can see it just there. Now what I've pretty much done is started a sketch where I pretty much outlined what I liked from this image, so I can later use the Fusion 360 extrude tool to extrude it as a whole body. And then I mirrored the other half and added this little bit here. Let's see it as a full body. Now that we've finished the design, it's time to export it to a different software called a slicer, where the file gets translated into something called G-code that the printer can pretty much read and perform all the code actions on it. The settings I used is a 0.2mm layer height for the Prusament PVB. I usually use a 0.6 nozzle over the 0.4 because it's much quicker to print, and obviously 100% infill for this little part, make it solid. Now we're going to import that file that we saved from our design previously, and if we like what we see, pretty much hit slice and export the G-code. And the printing time is pretty quick at 11 minutes in total. You can pretty much see the design simulation here, the print simulation, and it looks really cool. Happy printing, everyone.